Here's a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: new engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, USB port, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver states, thanks in part to its lowest in test curb weight, the Tucson posted the second best 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.